Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Airfit P10 is probably one of the most popular CPAP masks on the market, and for good reason. Its sleek design and minimal contact points make it incredibly comfortable, even for side sleepers. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Airfit P10, exploring its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your sleep apnea therapy. Number 5. P10 Series Replacement Set. This replacement set is designed specifically for the P10 series. It includes everything you need in one convenient pack. It's a great value and ensures a snug and durable fit. Get everything you need in one pack with this replacement set. It offers great value and is designed for the P10 series. Please note that this set is not compatible with the N30 series. This set includes a replacement short tube. It's a durable and cost-effective solution if your original tubing is torn or damaged. This ensures you can continue using the product comfortably. The frame is made of high-quality materials. This makes it more durable and gentler on your skin. It's designed for long-lasting use and comfort. The headgear strap is made of ultra-soft and elastic material. This improves wearing comfort and keeps it securely in place all night long. It's designed for a perfect fit. The newest adjustable strap allows you to customize the length. This ensures a secure and comfortable fit throughout the night. This product is also protected by several US patents. What we like? This replacement set offers exceptional value, including everything you need for your Airfit P10. It ensures a snug and comfortable fit, so you can sleep soundly. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising quality, you should consider this. What people say. Featherlight design, 5/5 wearing it is akin to almost not wearing anything at all, providing a liberating and comfortable experience throughout the night. Affordability meets quality, 5/5 it's a great value package that includes all the essential components, sparing me the hassle of hunting for individual parts. Top-notch tube durability, 5/5 the replacement short tube included in the set is a true lifesaver. Its durability ensures a worry-free experience, eliminating concerns about torn tubing and keeping my airflow consistently smooth. Number 4. Airfit P10 Replacement Set. This replacement set is designed for CPAP users. It includes the hose, frame, and headgear. It's everything you need for a comfortable and quiet night's sleep. You'll receive 2 individually sealed packs. They function the same as the original, but with an improved design. This ensures a high-quality user experience, and the pillow is not included. The air is dispersed gently and quietly. This means both you and your partner can enjoy a peaceful night's rest without any disturbances. The strap is made of ultra-soft and elastic material. It's adjustable for optimal comfort and will stay in place all night long. The design allows for 360-degree rotation, preventing tangling. This gives you the freedom to move around without breaking the seal. Made from lightweight and durable materials, this replacement set is easy to use. It's designed in the USA and protected by multiple patents, ensuring quality and innovation. What we like? This replacement set is designed for a comfortable and quiet night's sleep. The 360 degrees swivel allows freedom of movement without compromising the seal. If you value a peaceful night and want to minimize noise, you should consider this. What people say. The Airfit P10 is very lightweight. The nasal pillows are comfortable. It is easy to clean. Number 3. IBEET P10 Replacement Kit. This IBEET replacement kit is designed specifically for the P10. It includes a tubing assembly with a medium pillow cushion, ensuring a perfect fit. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. The pillow is more secure and stable, designed to stay in place. This allows for smooth airflow throughout the night, no matter your sleeping position. The vent holes are upgraded to reduce noise and condensation. They gently release air from both sides, just like the original design. The entire set fits perfectly, creating a great seal. This helps to avoid any annoying hissing sounds, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. The 18.5-inch tube features a 360-degree swivel. This allows the hose to pivot as you move, providing comfort and flexibility. Remember, it connects to a 22mm hose. What we like? This kit includes a secure pillow and upgraded vent holes for a better sleep experience. It ensures a snug fit and minimizes leaks, so you can sleep without disruptions. If you are looking for a reliable and effective replacement kit, you should consider this. What people say. The Airfit P10 is very lightweight. The nasal pillows are comfortable. It is easy to clean. Number 2. ResMed Airfit P10 for her extra small. Are you looking for a replacement pillow for your Airfit P10 or Airfit P10 for her mask? This is the perfect solution. It ensures a comfortable and effective seal for your CPAP therapy. This extra small size is specifically designed for users who need a smaller fit. It's designed to provide a secure and comfortable fit, ensuring a good night's sleep. The Airfit P10 pillows are designed with comfort in mind. The soft, flexible material gently conforms to your nose, minimizing pressure and reducing the chance of skin irritation. Replacing the pillows is quick and easy. Simply detach the old pillows and attach the new ones. It's a simple process that helps maintain the effectiveness of your CPAP therapy. With the Airfit P10 replacement pillow, you can enjoy a restful night's sleep. It helps maintain a secure seal, allowing you to receive the full benefits of your CPAP therapy. What we like. This is a replacement pillow specifically designed for the Airfit P10 and is available in extra small size. It is a great choice if you are looking for a smaller size. What people say. Works great and fits perfectly. The most comfortable and effective CPAP mask I can imagine. It's small and it stays in all night long and I can't hear anything when I have it on. Breaking air is not a problem and I hardly know it's there. Number 1. Impresa CPAP Neck Pad and Strap Cushion. Introducing the Impresa CPAP Neck Pad and Strap Cushion. This soft, plush fleece pad is designed to alleviate face and neck irritation. It transforms your sleep apnea headgear into a more comfortable experience. Ensure a secure fit with this cushion. It keeps your mask head strapped snug all night long. This helps prevent leaks and improves the effectiveness of your CPAP therapy. Made from premium plush fleece, this strap cushion feels luxurious against your skin. It's washable and quick drying, so it stays soft and ready for use night after night. This neck strap cushion is designed to work with a wide range of CPAP masks, including ResMed Airfit and Dreamwear models. Its versatile design ensures a perfect fit for your equipment. Easily personalize the fit by trimming the length as needed. The hook and loop fasteners keep the cushion securely in place. You can enjoy a comfortable and uninterrupted night's sleep. What we like. This neck pad and strap cushion provides unmatched comfort and a leak-free fit. The premium plush material feels great against your skin, and it is designed to fit a variety of CPAP masks. If you are looking to improve your comfort, you should consider this. What people say. The Airfit P10 is very lightweight and comfortable. The nasal pillows are easy to use and create a good seal. It is much quieter than other CPAP masks I have used. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.